In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete temporary files on your Toshiba laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So what I have to do is open up the search menu, and you want to search for temporary. Best result should come back with delete temporary files. Go ahead and open that up. On the right side, select temporary files, make the selection of what temporary files you want to remove, and then select the remove file button at the top. Select continue to confirm, and that's all you have to do. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.